terms of climate change, we have three big priorities. We've obviously got to get down to net zero emissions as quickly as possible. 2050 is the legal target for the UK. We've got to actually think about protecting our communities in terms of resilience to physical impacts, flooding and stuff. And we also need to make sure that this process is fair for all in terms of communities and workers and consumers and so on.
The reality is that the decarbonisation of our economy and the shift to a more climate resilient society is going to be a big ticket item. It's going to cost a lot of money. So a major issue is where are we going to find the capital, the money in public and private and other sources of funding the just transition beyond a carbon-based society.
Our purpose is to support our customers, our consumers and wider society. Part of that will be to address the challenges of climate change. Our role will be to support our customers, both consumers and SMEs, as they make this transition. There will be challenges, there will be issues for them to face, but there will also be great opportunities.
There's a huge amount of capital that's going to be required, of every type of capital, and what we need to do is find a macro picture and then look at the micro. And capital is going to play an essential role in finance in making sure we do that as well as we can, as well as addressing some of the inequities that have existed in our society today.
If we are to reach those net zero carbon targets by 2050, we need this massive transformation. And we need a policy framework, we need the finance, and we need the technology to work all together to make it happen.